Next spring, from April 28th to 30th 2025. Our FAU MOD, Research Center for Mathematics of Data, at FAU, Friedrich-Alexander-Universität, Erlangen-Nürnberg, is delighted to host the first edition of the Machine Learning and PDEs workshop, on-site, online, in Erlangen, Bavaria, Germany. The MLPDES25 workshop is an international event that brings together researchers from Europe and the United States to explore the deepening connection between machine learning and partial differential equations. Our speakers: our committees. Join us at the MLPDES25, on-site or online, hosted in Erlangen, Bavaria, Germany.